Hey guys, today I'm gonna be doing jerk Barbie fry and I'll be taking you through the process. So I'm gonna be putting it in the oven at 350
Bam, bam, me I say Maximum representing for S&M Jamaica lifestyle, and we are say like, comment and subscribe. Bam, my mama.
This is my pre-seasoned chicken that I've seasoned overnight, and I've placed it in the refrigerator to marinate with some all-purpose season, some garlic. This is my flour. I also put some all-purpose seasoning in my flour. I'm gonna rest these aside. This is my vegetable oil I'll be using, guys. You can use whichever oil you choose to use, but I like using the vegetable oil to fry my chicken. So I'll be using 2 eggs. As you can see, I don't have much chicken, so I'll only be using 2 eggs. So I'll be dipping the chicken into the egg and then into my flour. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share, guys. Right, so this is what I was telling you. I'm gonna dip my chicken into the egg and from there to the flour. And I'm gonna make sure that the chicken is fully covered in the flour, that way it doesn't stick to the pot, you know. Like I said, it's French Barbie fry. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start turning. Looking good for the first time. So I'm gonna make sure that my barbecue sauce is evenly distributed. That way all the chicken get in the barbecue sauce to get the flavor. Guys, this is jerk barbecue chicken. I forgot to tell you guys, I use jerk seasoner also, so you can blend up your own season, your garlic, your scallion, your thyme, your pimento, your pepper, your onion. You could just blend up your own jerk season, as well as you could get the ready one from the store, which is a lot easier. Sometimes if you have to work, then you could just run to the store to get it. And you have some originals, I would say, that came from Jamaica, which is like, I'm not getting a promotion, but like Grace and So this is my finished product. Look at it, guys. Look at it. It's looking yummy. I love the look of it, guys. And it's smelling good too. So I can't wait to dig in and taste. Look at it.